Hi my zummies, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Life with Marie. If you're new, welcome. If not, it's your girl Osala Diva, and I'm going to do my everyday look for you guys today. First, I like to start with my dark brown pencil, my eyebrow pencil I got from Walmart for 99 cents from Wet n Wild. Go ahead and line your bottom eyebrows and top, and you can do it however you want, thin or thick. And I like to go in with my Anastasia product and fill everything in. Up and bottom. And then I like to brush for any harsh lines. Everybody should be able to do that. Brush, brush, brush. And I start with my eyeshadows, and it was a dark brown and a nude. I like to put mascara in on my real lashes before I apply false lashes. And I measure my lashes, make sure they're not shorter than each other. By my lashes. And I'm going in with some bronzer, some bronze. And go ahead and apply your blush, your desired blush.
Very light-handed. Anything dark, red, or oranges?
I like to line my lip up for when I'm going to apply my lipstick, so it can stay anytime I drink water or juice. And then I like to apply lipstick, and that's a new method that I've been doing for the past 8 months. Some more blushes if desired, and it'll create some contours for you too. And I'm going to remove any excess with my toothbrush and spray. And then I like to add a highlighter, and I'm using a liquid highlighter from Maybelline. Tip of my nose. And I like to go back and set it with some more highlighter, powder highlighters. Maybelline some more. Maybe it's Maybelline. Glows, okay? Okay, sis. I know you see that right there. And for the finale, you guys, I'm just slaying my baby hairs, laying them down. And I hope you guys did like this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.